वो खाते पीते खानदान से है। He belongs to a well-off family. He belongs to a well-off family. आप किससे मिलना चाहती हो? Who do you want to meet? Who do you want to meet? मुझे नहीं लगता वो जानता है। I don't think if he knows. I don't think if he knows. वो अपने बाल कटवाने गया है। He has gone to get his hair cut. He has gone to get his hair cut. हमारे बीच बातचीत नहीं है। We don't talk each other. We don't talk each other. आपको मैं कैसे समझाऊं? How do I make you understand? How do I make you understand? मुझे ये 20 रुपए का पड़ा। It cost me rupees 20. It cost me rupees 20. मेहमानों की खातिरदारी करो। Look after the guest. Look after the guest. हमने आज बाहर डिनर किया। We took the dinner outside today. We took the dinner outside today. मुझे थोड़ा थोड़ा करके खिलाओ। Feed me bit by bit. Feed me bit by bit. वहाँ जाना ठीक नहीं है। It is not worthwhile going there. It is not worthwhile going there. मैं ये रोज़ रोज़ खाकर थक गया हूँ। I am fed up of eating it daily. I am fed up of eating it daily. तुमने मुझसे झूठ बुलवाया। You made me tell a lie. You made me tell a lie. वो मेरा बहुत करीबी है। He is very close to me. He is very close to me. फ़िलहाल तुम यहाँ इंतज़ार करो। For the time being, you wait here. For the time being, you wait here. ये लिखा जा चुका है। It has been written. It has been written. उसे ये क्यों दिया गया? Why was he given this? Why was he given this? बात बहुत साफ है। Matter is very clear. Matter is very clear. इसे नीचे मत रखना। Don't get it down. Don't get it down. अपने झगड़े निपटा लो। Patch up your disputes. Patch up your disputes. ये मैंने मांगा। I asked for this. I asked for this. अपनी नौटंकी बंद करो। Stop your gimmick. Stop your gimmick. एक और चीज़। One more thing. One more thing. दिमाग से खेलो। Play wisely. Play wisely. ये सिर्फ एक सोच है। This is just a mindset. This is just a mindset. मेरी बात मत काटो। Don't interrupt. Don't interrupt. वो झूठ बोल रहा है। He is lying. He is lying. इससे काम चल जाएगा। It will do. It will do. मैं निकल रहा हूँ। I am leaving. I am leaving. रास्ता दिखाओ। Lead the way. Lead the way. मुझे सब पहले से पता है। I know everything already. I know everything already. ये मेरे बस की बात नहीं। It's out of my capacity. It's out of my capacity. बहुत ज़्यादा देर मत लगाना। Don't take too long. Don't take too long. इसका कितना हुआ? How much for this? How much for this? पीकर ख़त्म करो। Drink it down. Drink it down. तुमने गड़बड़ कर दी। You messed up. You messed up. तुम बाद में पछताओगे। You will regret later. You will regret later. वो भागते हुए आया। He came running. He came running. मैं तुम्हारी पोल खोल दूंगा। I will expose you. I will expose you. खाना लगा दो। Serve the food. Serve the food. इस बारे में सोचना। Think over it. Think over it. वहाँ जल्दी पहुँच जाओ। Get there early. Get there early. मुझे मौका नहीं मिला। I did not get a chance. I did not get a chance. हमें आज मिलना था. We had to meet today. We had to meet today. हर कोई जानता है. Everyone knows. Everyone knows. मानो या ना मानो. Believe it or not. Believe it or not. मैं ज़रूर आऊँगी. I'll come for sure. I'll come for sure. ये झूठ है. It's a lie. It's a lie. वो कभी भी आ सकती है. She may come anytime. She may come anytime. मैं भी ये नहीं करूँगा. I won't do that either. I won't do that either. मैं भी ये नहीं करूँगा. मैंने कल बाल कटवाए. I had my hair cut yesterday. I had my hair cut yesterday. वो ऐन मौके पर आया. He came in the nick of time. He came in the nick of time. कौन शुरू करेगा? Who will have a go? Who will have a go? मैं इस बारे में सोचूंगी. I will think over this matter. I will think over this matter. मैंने आपको पहचाना नहीं. I did not recognize you. I did not recognize you. मुझे नहीं पता वो कहाँ है. I don't know where he is. I don't know where he is. सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा. Everything will be settled. Everything will be settled. तुम किसके साथ जा रहे हो? Who are you going with? Who are you going with? मैं रिया के साथ जा रही हूँ. I am going with Riya. I am going with Riya. तुम ऐसा कहने वाले होते कौन हो? Who are you to say that? Who are you to say that? ऐसे भी क्या जल्दी है? Why such a hurry? Why such a hurry? तुम मेरी बराबरी नहीं कर सकते. You cannot be equal to me. You cannot be equal to me. मैं इतनी दूर नहीं जाऊंगा. I would not go that far. I would not go that far. आधी रात हो चुकी है. It is midnight already. It is midnight already. तुमने बिल्कुल भी काम नहीं किया. You have not worked at all. You have not worked at all. मुझे मेरी मोबाइल मिल गई. I found my mobile. I found my mobile. क्या ये बैग आपका है? Is this bag yours? Is this bag yours? नहीं, ये मेरा नहीं है. No, it is not mine. No, it is not mine. मैं ज़्यादा नहीं जानता. I don't know much. I don't know much. मेरा काम बस तुम्हें बताना था. My job was just to tell you. My job was just to tell you. तुम मेरी बराबरी नहीं कर सकते. You cannot be equal to me. You cannot be equal to me. मैं इतनी दूर नहीं जाऊंगा. I would not go that far. I would not go that far. वो मुझसे क्यों जलती है? Why is she jealous of me? Why is she jealous of me? इस बात को अपने तक रखना. Keep it up to yourself. Keep it up to yourself. वो मेरे दूर का रिश्तेदार है. He is my distant relative. He is my distant relative. मेरे कान में दर्द है. I have earache. I have earache. बिजली नहीं है. The power is out. The power is out. बिजली चली गई है. The power went out. The power went out. छोटी छोटी बातों पर झगड़ो मत. Don't quarrel over trifles. Don't quarrel over trifles. यहाँ किस चीज़ की कमी है? What is lacking here? What is lacking here? नाउ इट्स योर टर्न टू आंसर। नंबर 1, बिजली चली गई है। नंबर 2, मैं इतनी दूर नहीं जाऊंगा। इन दोनों सेंटेंस को इंग्लिश में कैसे कहेंगे? कमेंट करके अपना आंसर ज़रूर बताएं एंड साथ ही अपना वैल्यूएबल फीडबैक देना ना भूलें। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग।